my journey from Lucknow to Haridwar, as there are no direct flights or trains or buses between Lucknow to Rishikesh. As soon as I reached Haridwar, I decided to explore a bit around. And guess what? I got an invitation to attend a local wedding. Local wedding? What do you think I have done? I immediately accepted the offer and agreed to attend the wedding. The only sad part was that I didn't have any traditional clothes to wear. But I managed somehow. Weddings in Uttarakhand are a grand affair, where you get to meet your loved ones from the far-off villages and have a gala time with them. If you are a Pahadi, then you know the madness and fun that happens in the weddings. And if you aren't, don't worry, I've got you covered. मुझे ना weddings attend करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. The two things I do is to dance and eat. But I felt awkward to seemingly barge in on a family wedding I had no idea about. And yet at other times it was all worthwhile when the family made me feel welcomed. When you attend a different state's wedding, there is a lot of different things to experience. Uncommon rituals and customs, and I love to know about them. The first thing which got my attention was Nathuli and Pichora. Nathuli is the big traditional style Pahadi nath, which is the star attraction of the Uttarakhand weddings. Pichora bears a rich legacy as it is passed on from one generation to the other and is the only bridal attire that is indigenous to Kumaoni region of Uttarakhand. This is considered to be the sign of marriage. Once it was dark and the DJ floor was lit up, things started getting pretty crazy and interesting. Kids jumped and sang Kumaoni songs, the guests danced to the beats of the drum and make it momentary for the wedding couple. Pahadi dishes की मैं क्या बात करूं? I tried so many toothsome and inviting dishes. I couldn't resist being tempted from the rich aroma of these flavorful cuisines. Typical Bollywood fan and an avid traveler, traveling and attending weddings are two of my favorite hobbies. If you get an opportunity to attend a Kumaoni wedding, don't miss a chance. Generally, I don't plan much because I love to have such surprises. But it's time for me to unfold the rest of the journey. So now I'm going to take you to the yoga capital of the world. See you at Rishikesh now.